Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download motherboard, Gigabyte motherboard download, driver download. So first we have to come to website gigabyte.com and then click to search button and then enter model number B860M DS3H WIFI6E and then enter. Then click to product. So select this is really 1 and really 1.2 and 1.2. So installations process same. Click to support. Select your operating system Windows 10 11. So select any because both installations process driver installation process same. Audio driver, click to download. It will click download, so it will start downloading in the C this. So it is complete. Then just open. Double click to exe and then click to yes. Now this is extracting to system for the installation. So it is closed automatically means this is installed. Chipset driver. Install this one Infinity. Click to download. It is done downloading. So it is completed. Just open and double click to exe. Click to yes. Now this is extract. Then it is done. After double click to install. Like that, this is installed. It will close automatically means this is installed. LAN driver. A Realtek LAN driver and click to download. It will click to download. It will start downloading here. You can see. Just open. Double click to exe. Then click to yes. So now this is installing. Then it is closed automatically. This is installed. VGA driver. VGA. So just click to download. It will start downloading here. Take time to your depend over your internet. So it is downloaded. Just open. Then guys, double click to launch. Then click to yes. Now this is extracting. So it will start. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Bluetooth driver. So this is Intel Bluetooth. Click to download. Then it is done. Bluetooth driver, and then open. Double click to exe. Click on yes. Now this is installing. So it is done, and then close it. VLAN. WLAN means guys Wi-Fi driver. So you can see this is Intel Wi-Fi driver, and click to download. Wait few seconds. It is completed. Then open, and then double click to exe. Then click to yes. Wi-Fi driver installing. It will done. If it is facing some issues, so try to another try. Ban, and then close it.